92.7 बिग एफएम पे मैं हूँ प्रथमेश आपके साथ। देर आर समटाइम्स मुझे लगता है कि कभी कभी हेल्थ की काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें रहती है जो हमें एक्सप्लेनेशन और थियोरेटिकली तो मालूम पड़ती है, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकली उसकी जो एक्चुअल एक्सप्लेनेशन रहती है, जो मिथ्स जो रहते हैं, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंटली उसे बर्स्ट करने के लिए हमें एक्सपर्ट्स की जरूरत पड़ती है। विथ मी इज डॉक्टर अजय। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम ऑन बिग एफएम सर, एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू एड्रेस दिस इशू विच इज़ वेरी अनस्पोकन अनसेड, एंड मुझे लगता है कि इसके बारे में बात करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। बिफोर वी बिगिन आई रियली वांट यू टू इंट्रोड्यूस टू द पीपल विथ आपका नाम या आपका काम, प्लीज़ बताइए।
Yeah, so myself Dr. Ajay Kumar Gajengi, consultant urologist and laparoscopic surgeon at Euroconsult Borivali. So, as we know, this CA prostate, that is in our language we call it a CA prostate, carcinoma prostate, is one of the commonest cancer in males above age of 50.
Yeah.
So it was a cancer now mostly seen in India also.
Correct.
Previously it was seen in Western population.
भाई उसी के लिए आ रहा था कि बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी पीपल, आई वाज स्टडिंग अबाउट दिस, मैंने स्टैटिस्टिक्स देखा तो मुझे कुछ नंबर्स मिले।
Right.
तो देर आर लाइक आउट ऑफ 10 देर आर 9 पीपल हु कैन नॉट एड्रेस दिस अंटिल इट्स वेरी सीरियस। बिकॉज जब तक वो लोग को मालूम पड़ता है वो बोलते हैं कि अरे ये तो कोई गैस का प्रॉब्लम है, अरे ये पेन एक रैंडम पेन हो रहा था, बट देन व्हेन दे डिटेक्ट, व्हेन दे कंसल्ट, it's recognized as a prostate cancer. So
Yes.
can you explain exactly
So
what
first
is
of
prostate
all,
cancer?
I'll try to explain you what exactly is prostate gland.
Correct.
So prostate is a normal gland. It is normally seen in every male. It is a walnut-shaped gland which is situated just below the bladder,
Yeah.
surrounding the urethra. Its function is to have seminal secretions.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, with age, it increases in size. Now, it can be increase in size due to normal variation that is called as BEP, benign enlargement of prostate. That is non-cancerous enlargement of the prostate. But in some cases, it enlarges due to cancer. So, when there is growth of cancerous cells in the prostatic tissue, it is called carcinoma prostate.
Oh.
And it is, as I said, it's rampant now.
Yeah.
Most common cancer after the age of 15 males.
Okay. That is the main core age आसी
Yeah, after the age of, as age advances, the risk increases.
करेक्ट, दैट इज मेन फैक्टर। अगर मैं आपको पूछता हूँ कि अगर प्रोस्टेट कैंसर के साइंस एंड सिम्टम रहते हैं तो वो फैक्टर्स क्या रहेंगे उसके?
See, as such, there is no specific signs or symptoms in prostate cancer. That is the drawback of this cancer. These signs and symptoms match with the non-cancerous enlargement of prostate signs and symptoms. So, grossly, if you say these patients can have increased frequency of urination, the flow in the urine is disturbed, they may have to pass urine many times, especially in the night, that we call as nocturia.
Yeah.
And कभी-कभी उनके यूरिन में ब्लड जाना, कभी-कभी उनके सीमन में ब्लड जाना. Then in late stages you have pain because of the cancer spread to other parts of the body. Like if it is spread in the bones and spine, then you will have back pain. They can have knee pain. Age is one of the risk factor. Age above 50, as I told. Family history is one more risk factor. If your brother, father, or any related cousin is also having CA prostate, that is carcinoma prostate, then the risk increases. In such cases, screening of them becomes important in early age, that too.
Okay.
Right. The other factors can be, some say dietary factors, lifestyle changes, lack of exercise, obesity, smoking. These are all factors which can grow chances of cancer in the prostate.
Makes sense. So अगर हम रिस्क की बात करते हैं, अगर रिस्क एड्रेस करना रहेगा, बेसिक सिम्टम्स क्या हो सकते हैं? लाइक what one can actually notice apart from like you mentioned, bleeding is one of the very integral part, but you think any physical pain is one of the part which can actually make them realize
As
that
I
person is
mentioned,
going
if the
through?
pain is, if the cancer is spread to other parts of the body,
Is
like
it?
spine
Okay.
or bones of the hip, then
Okay.
you can have pain in the spine, back
Yeah.
pain,
Because
pain in the
recently,
hips.
makes sense, because recently I came across someone who was going through this and he told me कि ये उसे recognize और detect तभी हुआ है उसके होने के 6 महीने बाद, and all this while he was taking painkillers and self medication करके वो अपने आप को suppress कर रहा था, but वो सही टाइम में मालूम पड़ा, maybe he was lucky enough to get detected and वो curate कैसे
And
करे?
that is the importance of screening test, what we
Screening
call as
test, correct.
screening test.
What is that
So
exactly?
screening test is basically PSA. What is it is a blood test, prostate specific antigen, serum PSA. So every patient above age 50 who has some or the other forms of urinary symptoms, we screen them. He comes to the clinic, we examine clinically, what we call as digital rectal examination.
Correct.
Through which we come to know at least grossly whether the prostate is normal, enlarged, how enlarged it is, whether there is any nodule, any irregularity, any chances of malignancy are there.
Yep.
So if then we advise biopsy also. So
Biopsy is one of the
biopsy is required if there is an abnormal rectal examination, DRE, or if the PSA is abnormal. And depending on that, we advise biopsy. And if the biopsy shows a cancer, then we have to work up.
Okay. And some very important part, you think that can be prevented, like whenever a person is going through a prostate cancer, koi prevention?
See, once cancer is detected, there is treatment. Prevention before cancer, yeah. There is actually no prevention, but helps reduce the rate of
Recurring.
incidence.
Yeah.
What we call as, if we follow some lifestyle modifications, healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, regular healthy food habits, no smoking, less intake of alcohol, less intake of caffeine or dairy products or refined carbohydrates, then the chances of that is carcinoma prostate decreases.
Correct.
So these are preventive practice, and once it has been diagnosed, like on biopsy there is a cancer, then if it is localized to the prostate, then complete cure is possible.
Correct.
100% cure, and sometimes 5-year survival rate up to the tune of 100% is possible in localized carcinoma prostate.
ओके. एंड वाइल द एग्जामिनिंग, जब आप जैसे हमने बताया कि वो स्क्रीनिंग के लेके जाते हैं, उसके पहले एक ऐसा पीरियड रहेगा जहाँ पे लाइक देयर इज ऑलवेज गोल्डन आवर, गोल्डन मिनट्स, गोल्डन सेकंड्स की हम लोग हमेशा कहते हैं, लाइक व्हेनेवर एनी इमरजेंसीज कैसे यू नो हार्ट अटैक्स में ज़्यादा होता है.
Yes,
सो यू थिंक देयर इज अ गोल्डन पीरियड वेयर द थिंग कैन बी डिटेक्टेड बिफोर स्क्रीनिंग, और आइदर यू स्क्रीन इट एंड यू गेट टू नो ओके ये हुआ है करके.
Yeah.
सो हाउ मच, व्हाट इज परसेंटेज वाइज कितने चांसेस है कि वो नहीं
What you are talking about, if you're using
Ratio.
those word golden period, golden time, screening is itself a golden period.
Correct.
So any person, if you ask any person, old person basically, you have any urinary symptom, ask him to visit a urologist so that we examine him, digital rectal examination, and thereafter do a PSA. And if these two are normal, then 99% will not have a carcinoma prostate.
ओके.
And if any of these things is abnormal, then we have to go for biopsy.
बायोप्सी. ओके. सो व्हाट इज द एज दैट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर, कि स्पेशली कभी पुरुषों में ये बातें होती नहीं है, काफ़ी टैबू हो जाती है कभी कभी.
Yes, yes.
एक सर्टन एज क्या रहेगा जब एक व्यक्ति को जाके अपने आप को ट्रीटमेंट स्क्रीनिंग करना जरूरी है? एक से आपने 50 की बात बताया, बट
Good
आई
question,
बिलीव
good
उसके
question.
पहले ही, या प्लीज टेल अस.
So, as far as the recent studies, what we are following, as per the studies, 50. The age criteria we follow is 50. But in some cases, we do it at 45 also. As I explained, those patients whose father, whose brother had history of carcinoma prostate. So these patients are high risk. So in those high risk patients, we can do screening early rather than at 50, at 45 also.
ओके.
Those patients who are exposed, like those who are exposed to long standing smoking, those who are obese and having these urinary symptoms, they are also more prone for carcinoma prostate,
ओके.
cancer prostate.
ओके.
So they can be evaluated early.
ओके. ओके. सो दैट इज लाइक, मतलब सर्टन एज होता है कि बिकॉज ये जिसके साथ हुआ था रिसेंटली, उसने मुझे बताया कि ये फैमिली हिस्ट्री से आता है. तुम कितना भी ब्रेक करने का ट्राई करो जेनेटिकल चेन, वो शायद से नहीं हो पाता. ऑन दैट नोट मुझे एक सवाल आता कि यू थिंक दिस कैन बी नॉट कॉज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ जेनेटिकल history or someone who's already
As
having,
I already
if
spoke,
they don't have, then there might be a chance as well.
there is family history always.
Okay.
Sometimes genetic mutations can cause all these problems.
अच्छा.
So this can't be stopped. This can be prevented by early screening. So again and again, I am trying to tell everyone that screening is the most important thing to be done in a case of carcinoma prostate. If detected early, localized prostate cancers
Yeah.
have the curative treatment
Yeah.
up to the tune of 100% with a 5-year survival rate.
Yeah. So very sensitive and important part comes here is the how strong that person has to be neurologically, and like because again it becomes very mental things. So it becomes a very stressful thing कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है किसी के साथ, तो already यहाँ से will होना थोड़ा सा कमजोर हो जाता है. तो how important is to keep that will up during these times, and how it can be cured, that can be spoken about.
So psychologically the patient is already disturbed. Once he knows that he has a cancer of the prostate, so it becomes the duty of the doctor to make him assure that the good thing about cancer prostate, it is a very slow growing cancer.
Yeah.
In most of the cases, if it is a slow growing cancer and if it is detected early stages, like localized, there are high chances that we can do a surgery called radical prostatectomy.
Yeah.
It can be done either laparoscopically, robotically.
Yeah.
Open surgery is already
Yeah.
a known thing.
Yeah.
So once we remove the entire prostate and it is localized to the prostate, then it becomes curative.
Correct.
So psychologically, we have to make understand that it is a slow growing cancer of the prostate, so it is treatable. But if it is already spread to other parts of the body,
Yeah.
then the chances of curative treatment becomes less. But there is a hope that his survival can be increased. Right?
Okay.
We can give palliative treatment.
Correct.
Yeah, we can give what we call as hormonal treatment,
Correct.
in which the progression of the prostate cancer decreases. So if you don't give this palliative treatment, he may live up to 2 years. But if we give this palliative treatment or what we call as hormonal treatment, he can live up to another 10 years.
That is the difference.
Yeah. So the aggressiveness of the cancers is detected on the biopsy itself. What is the grade of the tumor? What is the type of the tumor? And on PET scan or on MRI, we come to know whether it has spread to other parts of the body or it is restricted to the prostate or spread outside prostate but not to the other parts of the body.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Very important. Sir, last question it is ki, lifestyle and dietary changes. How it's correlated and co-linked and comorbid with the scenario if someone is going
See,
through this?
there are no direct relations,
There is no.
but there is a study. Those who have followed a good lifestyle, healthy diet, no junk, no smoking, no alcohol, no refined carbohydrates, in those population, the incidence of cancer prostate is less.
Okay.
But contrast to this, those population or those males who have been smoking, drinking alcohol, have been having a sedentary lifestyle with obesity, then they fall prey to this carcinoma prostate.
Okay. Okay. So, any last message you would like to tell each and everyone who is in their 45s and in their 50s at the same time?
Yes.
What
I
is
would-
that one thing that they need to do
Yes,
after
yes.
a certain age?
So every male who is above 50 and who is having a history of cancer prostate in their family
Yeah.
should definitely consult a urologist nearby so that we screen you. Any urinary symptoms like frequency, urgency, flow disturbances, blood in the urine or semen, immediately consult your urologist so that we do a digital rectal examination and a test called serum PSA, which helps detect cancer prostate in the early stages, and it is definitely treatable. Thank you.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Ajay. It means a lot because certain issues are not addressed, unfortunately, people tend to self-medicate things, एक awareness नहीं होती मुझे लगता है.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thanks for making everyone aware about this. Means a lot for your time.
Thank you. Thank you so much.